pH level, why do you think pH level?
More acid you have in kill the fish faster.
Okay, so if our tank is too acidic or too basic, it can kill our fish faster. Anybody else have a different opinion? Yes, Tim? So you think monitoring the oxygen level, why? All right, excellent. So the fish need the oxygen in the water so that they can do the equivalent of breathing that they do. Yes, ma'am? Okay. So monitoring the filters. Why do we want to keep track of the filters? Why do you think that's important? What do the filters take out of the water for? The filters that we use in our tank specifically, what do they take out of the water? We don't want to take the bacteria out, but what do we want to take out? The plants need the nutrients, but what don't they need as part of where the nutrients come from? Where does the ammonia come from? Fish poop. So do the plants need the actual food? No. They just need the nutrients that come from it. So our filters filter out that solid stuff so it doesn't get in and clog up our pipes and mess up our pipes. Excellent. Any other things that you think are really important to monitor? Temperature, why do we care about temperature so much? Okay, excellent. What would happen if it was too cold or too hot? They could die. And also temperature affects how much they eat and how fast they grow. So that's something else that they would work on too. So I have a direction sheet. We have a direction sheet for you. These little booklets that come with these testing kits have really tiny writing, and they make the testing a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. So what Mr. Landers made for you guys is a water testing cheat sheet that we want you to keep in your folder. Because we are going to start doing water testing on a more regular basis now after we learn how to practice a couple times. So you are going to test today the nitrite, the nitrate, the ammonia. You are going to test pH, and we're just going to use the regular pH, not the high level pH bottle, because there are two different pH bottles in your kits. You're just going to use the regular pH bottle. And then you're also going to go out and you're going to take the temperature of the big tank. So we have thermometers reading through all of this. So our agenda for today is that we did our opener. We discussed some of our water research or water chemistry research. Now we're going to practice our water testing. So for your water testing, you may work with a partner or you may work on your own. We have 6 stations set up. Each station has 4 vials. If we have people working at each station, you can actually reuse the same vial after your test results develop and you write them down. You can just rinse the bottle out real quick, and then you can use the same vial to do your next test. You need to take out a sheet of paper, so if you don't have one, I've got one out for you. You need to take a sheet of paper out. You need to write down what test that you are doing. Savannah. I'm just going to take what paper out of the paper, so just my grab some. Okay. So make sure you write down the name of the test as well as the results. So you'll write down nitrite, and then you will write down the results you got. So follow the instructions, including the timing, and then when you're all done, I want you to think about what the results might mean about the tank that we're testing. So what does it tell us about how old the tank is? What does it tell us about what's going on in our tank? Now, because we're going to be doing these tests on the table, I want you guys, there can be no food in here today. I need all the food off the tables. I need your backpacks off the tables. Nothing that we're using is dangerous or is going to hurt you, but there is going to be a bunch of water out, and I don't want you to spill water all over your stuff. So, the way this works, you guys have 2 different kinds of tubes depending on which station you're at. So we have the little glass tubes that have a line on them. So it tells you to put in 5 milliliters of water. 5 milliliters of water is the little line that's already on the glass tube. If you have plastic tubes at your station, you're going to have to look on the side here, and you're going to have to look for the 5 millimeter mark, which is on here, and that's how full you're going to fill your container of water. The water that you need to use is in the containers right here on your table. 5 milliliters isn't a lot, so there's plenty of water on each table to do a lot of the testing. When you add your drops to the containers, you have to push on the side to unlock the top. And when you go some of these you only need 3 drops, some of them you need 8, some of them you need 10. So there's all different amounts of drops that you need to put in. Now, some of these tests, like the nitrate test, there are 2 bottles you have to put in. So first you have to fill up your container with water. You have to add in 10 drops from bottle 1. You have to follow the directions about shaking it. Then you have to add your drops from bottle 2. Follow the directions about shaking it. And then read your results. Now we have 4 result reading cards spread out on the first and last table in each row, so you are going to need to share your cards. And it shows you which test you did, and you measured up the best you can to decide what color it is, and then you write down the number next to it. Then we will discuss after we get this all done, if we don't have time today, we'll discuss on Monday what these numbers mean exactly, what all the different things mean. Does anybody have any questions before we get started? All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. Mr. Leonard should be back in a second. And you guys can get started on doing more testing.
To the line. The only line you see on the bottom.
What about
It's going. That's why I got the curve in it. 5. Yep. Just 5. You got to press on the right.
You could be teaching as part of it.
Nitrite.
Come on, man. You're going to be a part of this group. You got to do something.
I don't know what to do. That's why I'm waiting on some instructions.
Here, you get this? Which one you doing, PJ?
What we do already, we did the pH. We did what? Nitrate.
Yeah. So this is pH. So pH will go last. This one will go first. So we got nitrite.
The first one we did right here. This is the first one we did. It's a little bit